So today we have a 2013 white Ralliart. Very beautiful looking vehicle, all-wheel control. Beautiful rooms down there. Really slick looking vehicle. I'm gonna head on to the back here. It's a beautiful dual tailpipes in the back. Beautiful rear exterior as well. Again, a very aggressive front end as well as the rear. I'm gonna head on to the inside now. Keyless entry, there's 3M on the inside of the door handles and also on the hood. The nice Recaro seats, paddle shifters. We have all the settings on the actual steering wheel that you'd need. Your super oval controls here. I'll go ahead and start it up for you. Oh, these seats are comfortable. Starts up really easy, really nice. Only 48,000 kilometers on it. I'll head to the back here. Beautiful interior. Two-tone leather, also with like a suede material. Very beautiful. So again, Taylor from SouthSide Mitsubishi with our 2013 white Lancer Ralliart. Thanks guys. If you guys have any questions about this inquiry, 780-966-2776 is my number. Thank you very much and have a great day.